What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $200 just clicking emojis. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Now, before I get into this method, I just want to tell you guys, please follow me on Instagram, and it's at AppGrind. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers, and once I get to 1,000 followers over there, I'm going to give out a free gift. So it could be money, or it could be a gift card or something like that. So please follow me at AppGrind and help me get to 1,000 followers on Instagram. Now guys, this method is a new method. I've never talked about it before. So guys, you're going to like this method. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end. I'm showing in my analytics that you guys are not watching the whole video. So I'm guessing you guys are not making any money because you're not watching the full video and watch all the steps that you need to follow. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. All right, without further ado, let me take you to the website that's going to show you how you can earn $200 just clicking emojis. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. Okay, family, I'm at this first website, and the name of this website is Flaticorn. Now, what you're going to be doing, guys, is creating patterns. And you're going to be creating emoji patterns. Now, the reason why you're going to be doing that, because it's very, very popular now. People want emoji patterns or just any type of pattern, and they'll pay some good money for it. So let me go ahead and show you that this is the software where you're going to make the pattern. So let me show you right quick. So when you come here, you're going to scroll down here all the way to the bottom, and you're going to click on Patterns Generator. It's going to take you here. You're going to click on Packs, and as you can see there, the emojis. As you can see over here, see, people use that pattern to put it on their phone. Now, people are buying these patterns and they're selling them. Now, you're going to make the pattern and you're going to sell it yourself, and you're going to have 100% profit. So let me show you how it works. So what you're going to do, just click on one of these emojis, and boom, it's creating a pattern. So that's one emoji. You can put as many emojis you want on here. There's another different type of emoji. Here's another one, and you can just keep clicking on it. It keeps producing more emojis. Now I know I'm not making a good pattern here, but you can also go there and move it around. See, you can move it around so they won't be all stuck together. I know this pattern is not that good looking, might not Might not be appealing to people, but I'm just giving you guys a demonstration of how it works. So anyway, so you do that, and then after that, all you have to do is click right here to download it. So you just click that and see right there. I'm not going to download it. Click right there and it'll download the pattern. Now, what you're going to do with this pattern is sell it to people. Now, I'm going to show you this website where you can make up to $200 with just this pattern. So let me go over there right now. Okay, guys, I'm at the next website. Name of this website is Spoonflower. So on this website, you're going to be able to sell your pattern and make at least $200 from it. So what you're going to do is enter into design challenges. So once you come here and sign up and everything, scroll down here where it says view current challenge. And I just want to take you here so I can show you how much you can make if somebody picks your pattern. So right here, the prizes. First prize winner will receive $200 credit, and you can redeem that for money. And the second place receives $100, and the third place winner receives $50, and the remaining 10 designs will receive $20. So guys, even if you are in 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th place, you're still going to get some money. Now the top, you want to go for the top winner, which is $200. So this is, guys, this is very easy and you can make some money doing this. You see, it only took me a couple of seconds or maybe a minute or two to make those designs. You can make as many designs you want because it's totally free on that site. Now, I want to show you another site you can go to where you can make even more money every hour. So let me go ahead and go to that site right now. Okay, I went to the next site. I'm at Fiverr. I've talked about this probably over 60 or 70 times on this channel. You can use Fiverr for all different types of services. Now, this is a fairly new service on here. So people, not that many people, as you can see right here, 2,171 services available. It's usually 100, 200,000 if it's some other service on here like logo design or something like that. But this right here, this pattern design is very new, so you don't have that much competition. And as you can see here, right here, they will sell their pattern design for 20. This one's 20, this one 5. This one $50. It's 20. Got 10. So you can go as low as 5 and you can go all the way up to, look at this, $215 just starting off. So it's probably even high. She's probably even selling higher. Yeah, it seems like this is a lady. So this lady, I will draw a pattern seamless. I would draw a modern seamless pattern design for your product. And look at that, guys. See how the pattern look? That's the same as on that software that you use. You just find whatever design they want and put it on there. But what you're going to do is do the emojis, put it on there because everybody loves emojis. And as you can see, it's hardly no emojis on here, so you won't have any competition. So that's it, guys. That's the steps. That's the method. Real easy. Make some good money. Make $200. Shoot, you could probably make up to $200 an hour selling here on Fiverr. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please type that code word that flashes on the screen. Type it down there in the comment section. Because what I'm going to do is when I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the person down there in the comment section that put down the code word in one of these videos, and that person could win the free money. So please watch for the code word and type it down in the comment section. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys supporting me and watching my videos. One more thing before I go check out my new channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. Over there, I'll be posting videos about increasing your personal finance and also increasing your personal development. Just help you with personal development so you can be a better person. But also showing videos about making money, helping you with your business, helping you to start a business. So go to that channel right now, subscribe, get that up to 1,000 subscribers over there. The link will pop up in this video up here. Just go there and subscribe. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. One more thing before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.